Welcome to Rome Tips. If you find this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more Rome research tips and tricks. All the links mentioned in this overview are down below in the description. This video reflects my personal experience using the service. Today, we're taking a look at Wimdu, found at www.wimdu.com. Wimdu operated as an online marketplace for short-term rentals, similar in concept to Airbnb. It provided a platform connecting travelers seeking accommodations with hosts offering various properties, from apartments and rooms in private homes to unique and unconventional spaces. While active for a number of years, Wimdu has since ceased operations and is no longer an available resource for booking travel lodging. This makes exploring alternatives essential for those who previously relied on the platform. While Wimdu itself is no longer functional, the concept of peer-to-peer accommodation booking remains vibrant. Numerous alternatives offer similar services, connecting travelers with hosts and facilitating short-term rentals globally. Some popular and widely used platforms include Airbnb, Booking.com, VRBO, and Expedia. These sites offer a vast selection of properties across diverse locations, catering to various budgets and travel styles. Understanding the features and strengths of each platform can assist in selecting the best fit for your individual needs. For example, Airbnb is well known for its diverse range of unique accommodations, including homes, apartments, and even castles. Booking.com provides a comprehensive selection of hotels and vacation rentals, while VRBO focuses primarily on vacation rentals, often catering to families and larger groups. Expedia offers a broad spectrum of travel services, encompassing flights, hotels, car rentals, and vacation packages, making it a one-stop shop for travel planning. Exploring these alternatives allows travelers to continue enjoying the benefits of short-term rentals, including often more affordable pricing, increased flexibility, and opportunities to experience destinations like a local. By considering factors such as desired location, budget, type of accommodation, and required amenities, individuals can identify the platform best suited to their specific travel requirements. Remember to thoroughly research and compare options before making a booking to ensure a smooth and enjoyable travel experience.